am. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? To my four beloved watchers. Um, let's get it going here. So we took some trades today for sure, and we got double break even. All right. Just trying to raise my cortisol. I don't give a fuck. I don't care, bro. Do not care. Um, all beautiful trades. Everything was great. I thank Christ for allowing me to take these trades. I thank him for allowing everything to go smoothly. My trade copying, just everything. It was just the exact outcome that should have happened today, and I'm super happy of that. So going into this first trade, right? Let's talk about just the overall market, right? So on my evals, right? I was like, okay, let's try and find an eval trade today, right? And I know so many freaking people took this, bro. And if you struggle with bias, not even bias, bro. If you struggle with trying to find where the market's going to go off that market open move, you know how New York always has like a move of the day? This is literally exactly how you do it. You go on the 4-hour chart and you ask yourself first, what are we disrespecting? What's the most recent thing we've disrespected? The most recent thing we've disrespected is this 4-hour bearish gap. So we are bullish from that, and then what are we respecting? We're respecting this 4-hour bullish. Sorry, we inversed a 4-hour bearish gap. Now we are continuing to respect a 4-hour bullish gap. So price is clearly telling you we're done with bearish and we're good with bullish, right? So what are our draws on liquidity going to be? It's going to be these, all right? I head down to the 1 hour to check out my draws. These were my draws on the. And you could have even done this 4-hour high here, and I think we did hit that. We'll see when we play this out. So, what am I wanting to see? Market open manipulation, and then a confirmation to go higher, right? We get amazing manipulate. Dude, what? Why is this at 6, bro? Okay. Let me just fix it up real quick, guys. Okay, I'm fried. These are the draws. I'm literally geeked. These were the draws, right? If you go on the 4-hour, it's going to probably reveal it. Yeah, see, like it already shows what it does. Still, inverse this bearish gap. We're inside this bullish gap, respecting it. Go on the 1 minute off market open. What is it doing? Okay. Off market open, you can see we manipulate, and then we get this displacement candle up. This was way too big for me to enter off of on my eval. I was not trying to do this. Like, it's like a 1, 2, 3. I just don't want to do that. I was waiting for a retrace. We never got it. What happened? All the draws on liquidity got met. Okay. So that was for the eval, but for my actual strategy, right? We come up and we create this beautiful move. We sweep out these draws, right? If we are going to continue higher on the day, where are we going to go? We're going to go into this OTE here or this 0.5, right? So what am I looking to go? What's my confirmation to go down here? Just this simple CISD. We get a closure below these two up close candles on both of these assets. Um, this is a doji like up candle. So it counted. This is my entry. Stops at the high right here. And then I guess we low-key could have done stops there now that I'm thinking about it. Hit that. Now that I'm thinking about it, that should have been the trade. Not even gonna lie to you. But my stop loss here was perfect. And then we were targeting a 3R here. Because I target the first 1 minute swing low that's gonna offer me at least a 1.8. So this was the trade. We tapped EQ, I went break even, and then it was a beautiful break even because it's the exact concept. If we're going to continue higher on the day, we're going to tap this EQ. In ES, actually SMT'd OTE, so even more confluence. And then we actually got a model to go long, but I couldn't take it because I was in this trade. We see ISD here, stop loss at the swing low. And yeah, this would have been break even as well. And then the other trade I took was in the second macro. It was this. Oh. CISD right here. TP right here. We come down, tap my break even, which is OTE. Again, if we're going to continue higher on the day, we're going to tap this OTE and go up, which is exactly what happened. So I cannot be mad about these results because this is exactly what should have happened. Looking back on this, though, I don't know if I should have had my stops here. I really don't know. I mean, either way, I think both of these are fun. I think it's just how you kind of want to play it, right? Because my TP was at this discounted fair value gap, which is not a bad, um, not a bad TP at all. As you can see, ES SMT the start of that gap. Um, it's just like this is the most recent swing high, but it's super close. I don't know. I think I'm fine. I don't really want to overthink this. You know what I mean? I think this is a great trade. Um, and yeah, that's really it for today, guys. Oh, I did take this on an email. Um, I took this 2-minute IFEG trade right here up to these highs. I took that on eval and I banged. Um, I'm trying to pass this freaking Tradeify, bro, and it's so geeked up, man. But yeah, I took this trade on eval, and I think that's literally it. So pretty boring day, break evens, but it was the exact outcome that should have happened. So I'm very happy. And yeah, I see you guys tomorrow. Peace.